practicing Taekwondo since now 16 years. I've done. So
We tell what those national games.
yeah, recently we have done our 38 nationals, which was in Bangalore, and kids are done very well. Okay, performing wise, and their sparring patterns, they were really very impressive.
Okay, how many medals have been won? And
Total Goa got eight gold and three silver, three bronze.
okay, is there any categories games that you have?
Now upcoming championship we have in Kerala, which is in June month. So we are practicing for that now.
Recently, we had a national championship in Bangalore and we won like 12 medals. And one of the golds, I was there, like, I won one of the golds.
Do you have from how long you're practicing? And you
I've been in Taekwondo like since 5 years, since the age of 8. So it was a pretty good time practicing here. Yeah.
So is this was your first match, first games?
No, this is I think my fifth tournament in Taekwondo, like the nationals.
38th National Taekwondo Championship held in Bangalore. I won gold medal against four states, and it was really tough and it was really scary for me at first. I was really nervous, but later I had to overcome that. I felt really good after winning the medal. I'm so thankful for having Sir as my coach.